Man, strap that kid down in the back of that thing. All right, so there's about 10 of us in our group here, the wet group. So we'll see how this ride goes. The trail we came in on is actually the same trail, I believe, that I came in on last year when I came here. So it's off 471, and so we'll see where we end up and how it differences. I am recording the track on Gaia GPS, so I'll have a recording and I'll have a file for this route, so maybe I can come and try it again in the future or share it with you all. But it looks to be fun. I mean, our group, I think it's about 10 or 11 of the rigs, so really only about a third came this way. We actually have a stock 4Runner, so we'll have to see how the stock 4Runner does. Other than that, we got some full-size Bronco, we have a lifted Jeep, Cherokee, some other Jeep Wranglers, TJs, JKUs, but it's a good mix and a good group of rigs, so we'll see how it is.
You out here with a GoPro.
Right? Might as well film some recoveries.
I got the four-wheel drive working now.
Oh, it is?
The front hubs were unlocked.
Ah.
One was locked, the other one was unlocked.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Yeah, no, that was straight frame.
Yeah. That's a lot of mud they're pulling. All right, everybody. We're definitely hitting some mud, definitely hitting some water. We've had to do several recoveries. So actually where we're at right now, 2 vehicles got stuck, one on a straight path, one on the bypass, but there's not many more it's going to be challenging regardless, because you know, all of the bypasses and everything here look pretty intense, boggy, and muddy. So we'll see what happens, but definitely Richloam is not disappointing here. It's been quite an interesting and fun trip with a whole bunch of different vehicles, and just keep watching. Thanks. Well, everybody, Richloam continues to please. We're finding water, we're finding mud, but it is not disappointing at all. So we got a cool group of people, and we're making it through. And yeah, I mean, this is awesome. So I definitely recommend coming out here. Like I said, it'd been about a year since I'd been out, and we're hitting different trails now, and yeah, just total fun. Florida typical, you know, but yeah, just keep on watching, see what else we got to show you. Thanks for being here.
Talking straight. Yeah, he's coming straight.
Yeah, he's coming through it.
Hey, Albert. It gets deep. Yeah, you think that.
Right?
Think that. Water's up to here. Ain't the water in my floorboard, man.
West.
Well, we're getting to do, getting ready for another water crossing. This one's going to be challenging. Several different routes, but with the mixture of vehicles, you know, we want to make sure we go through the right way. And sounds like we're starting to move. Colt's in the back. You know, he gets a little nervous on the
yeah, right now the Toyota looks like a 4Runner is going
on the bumps and all, but we'll see how this goes. We're gonna
pull up right now, about to go through it.
we're gonna take it to the left, see how it goes, see how everybody fares, and then follow the best track. Even the stock 4Runner.
Yeah.
Oh, he hugged it. Yeah, he's got it. Go, go, go. Don't let up, go. Yep. Yeah, that drop right there is a little.
Man.
Yep.
You're like floating through it. Nice.
Oh, here we go.
Ah, yeah.
Alright, gonna get straight.
Me too. I got excited.
All right, what a great ride. You know, we ended the ride at the Richloam General Store. It's always an awesome place to end a ride when you're there at Richloam, as long as you get there before 4 o'clock. The store does close at 4 p.m., so you have to make sure to get there before then. But, you know, I was able to get, you know, a few snacks, got Colt, you know, some jerky, and, you know, spending a little money for a local historical store. So it was a great way to end the day. I'll just have to remember too, you know, really with that, you know, they have ice cream, they have a whole bunch of different pops and sodas, whatever you want to call them. So it could be a good way to get the kids out on the trail if you bribe them with we'll end the ride with an ice cream. So just think about that. But no, great. I appreciate your coming out. Like I said when I started this, you know, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and throw down some comments there. We had a great time and would love to discuss it. So hang in there. Thanks a lot, and I appreciate it. See you next time.